Hey there! Today I want to play a new game. It's new to me and maybe it's new to you. It's called Epistory and it's a typing practice game. So it teaches you how to type better, faster, more accurately. I really am having fun with it and I just wanted to share it with you. So this is kind of like a little bit of a live stream kind of thing. And let's just see how this goes. Okay. So here we go. So this game, it's pretty much like a typing game, and the way it works is that you can move around using the keyboards, and then you can attack monsters and things like that with by typing things. So you go into this mode, which is like this typing mode, and then you can do things like that. So, and then there'll be places in the
She
game
barely recognized it.
where
Beneath the darkness of shadow and silk.
cool. There'll be places where it matters how fast you type. Right now, this part doesn't, but there is a section where there are monsters coming after you, and the way that you deal with monsters is that you, let's see, how do I get in there? You type the words, and that kills the monsters. Let's see, where are we? Oh. Nothing else here.
The forest resisted her approach.
Oh. Okay.
She knew its secret language.
Let's see here. Gotta go in order, I suppose. I don't know what happens if you go out of order. It looks like it resets. Guess that's to get you kind of like agile with your keys.
The forest opened to her with heavy heart.
Cool. Anyways, I really love the graphics here. I love the challenges. It makes it really fun to type fast. Because, for instance here, I better move back because this guy's going to get me before I have a chance to type at him. Okay, see, that's what I was talking about. You have to type fast enough to kill those monsters. Yeah, so it helps to really practice your speed. Let's see. I'll switch over to my hand cam here so you can kind of see as I'm typing. Playing around with my cameras a little bit for fun. Let's see. Let me see if I can focus on my hand here. Oops. I have the eye autofocus on there.
Growing shy.
I'm not great at controlling this guy with the keyboard. It's a little bit wonky to like only have like a few directions like that. Oh, there's a...
She began to fear the emptiness, more than she feared the shadows. She helped the forest to grow.
barely got that guy. That was close. I should have like dropped out there. So I can kind of like drop out, and then I can basically like, when I drop out like this, I can move. But when I'm locked in for typing mode, I can't move. And so that's when like the monsters can come and get me while I'm not moving. Okay, let's go back to that view and then put my picture in picture back. And let's see, what else are we gonna do here? We were able to see something down there on the lower pad. Interesting.
Write our initials in the bark. Then we'll be together forever.
It's fun how there's like a little bit of lore mixed in with this, you know? Just like... adds a little bit of intrigue to learning to type. You're playing a game.
They came from Nest of Darkness. She was strong before them.
So I'm typing out this stuff. Now. Ooh, I beat it.
What's going on? Why won't you answer me?
Let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna switch over to my my little hand camera. I'm gonna fix this real quick. Just give me a sec, okay? Let me just see here. Alright, so that should be better. Now you can actually see it. It's not just like a blurry keyboard. Alright. There we go. So, what do we do next? Dealt with that part. Testing. Yeah, I can hear you. Can we get over here? Yeah, we can get through there. Whew, that was close. I have to go around here to open
Force
this
close
gate.
to her once more.
I gotta find that number 1.
She didn't understand why.
Go through the gate to get the number 1. How do you do that? Oh, here's some more stuff over here. Ooh, I was fast on that one. Okay, so it's gonna be like, what is it? Alpha,
Sometimes it tried to guide her in its way.
Omega. Let's see. Oh look, there's a little symbol thing. So it's like this one, and this one. Oh. Oh, I gotta run away. Okay. I just happened to accidentally go over the correct ones there. That's funny. That's funny. I happened to accidentally go over them in the right order when I was running away from that creature. Now, can I get back here? And, oh, it opened the gate. 1, 2, 3.
Forced yearned for her to wander deeper.
See if there's anything else around here worth exploring. Nope. Well, did I come from down there? Oh, there's a monster. Those tricky Z's. Z's are always a little tricky for me on my keyboard. Because they're in an odd space where my pinky is. So I can go this way or that way. Interesting. Creature back there. Yeah, it's like a lot of pressure to be good at typing because if you aren't, then those monsters get you. That's not fun. You gotta work on your speed and accuracy. Ember. It's funny, I was trying to explain Ember to my dad today. You know, Ember, the JavaScript framework. I don't know, maybe you don't know about that. But yeah, I was trying to explain... Ember to my dad and other JavaScripts in relation to like what crypto is right now. Because I think that in the crypto world, it's going to be a lot like the JavaScript world, and there'll be like winners and losers. You know how React, I don't know if you're into JavaScript, but React is kind of the best, and most companies have adopted React versus things like Angular or Ember. And I think the same thing's going to happen in crypto eventually, where there'll be some company that comes in with a lot of incentives to have it, to get the crypto formula correct. And they'll build something.
There's something rotten here.
They'll build something that works. But it will take, you know, it just takes a, you won't know what the good one is right away, obviously. But there'll be a lot of updates and improvements over time, but it'll be clear at one point that there's like a critical mass of people who are interested in using that specific crypto. And when that happens, then it will gain mass adoption. Let's see, where's the clue? So let's try. They're not activated yet for some reason. Maybe at the start. Anyways, I don't think, you know, to me, Bitcoin and just the blockchain in general is kind of like JavaScript.
Creeping cobwebs choked.
It's there, it's really basic, it'll stay around, it's hard to use, it's not, it can do a lot, but like you have to do a lot of the work yourself. And then other cryptos are going to be more like these frameworks, and we'll start off, we'll get like a jQuery or something like that. Whoa, I just ran into a monster. That wasn't good. Less talking, more typing. All right, so let's see here. Where was I? Okay, not that way. I think that I went down that way. Well, I went all the way around. Okay, let's go this way this time. I don't think you can even get through here, so that's interesting. Spiders are good though, you know? Spiders, they actually help the plants. So it's interesting that we would want to get rid of them. Pretty nice. I'm not gonna criticize this little game. It's just fun. Yeah. So I don't know if you're getting anything out of this, but this is, I don't care. I'm just having fun. This is a blast. Oh, and I'm playing this on Linux, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is all Linux. This is all Linux, which is cool, and I am happy about that. I don't know, I get happy about random shit sometimes, but Linux is cool, and I love Linux. It's just, I feel that it runs really, really well. It doesn't have a lot of things bogging it down, and when it does, like, you have so much control.
Sinister
You
shadows spoiled.
can turn those things off.
It needed to be freed.
What is it?
She burned away the blight. That the forest would learn to love once more.
So I don't know how. There's that one that I missed back here. I really want that prize. I don't know about you, but I don't like to leave prizes on the. Oh, there's like a snake there. Look at that. So there's this prize over here that I'm basically leaving on the table because oh, look, things are filling in. I guess it won't allow me to solve it. Ah, there we go. I need the light. V. Omega. Lambda. Alpha. Omicron. Okay. Let's go get our prize. This is like a live stream format I'm doing today, so it's just like me playing this game and whatever I'm thinking about. Right now I'm not thinking about much. Sometimes I just don't think. I'm just enjoying being alive and doing things that are really cool. Like this, playing this game. Oh, these will turn on, huh? Well, that's clearly the first one. Now you gotta figure out what the second one is. Ah, okay.
We planted this seed together. I will always love you.
Okay. Process of elimination here. All the way around to that one. Okay, well, which one is it then? I don't know. Anyways, this game was fun. I'm kind of done with it for now. I want to go like veg out and watch TV or something like that. But thanks for watching. And it's a cool game, right? Like, I definitely... Oops. Gotta get off this monster. Oh, he got me. That's a good way to end. So, yeah. It's a fun game. Really educational. You can learn to type better. And at the same time, you're playing a video game. So, you know, the other thing... It's better than the other thing I do, which is like Keyber.com, which is that AI typing site. KEYBR.com. And that's a really good one because it uses AI and it challenges you with stuff that you might not have thought of. But yeah, I gotta get out of this game. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's go to the main menu. So yeah, takeaways from today. Linux, gaming, using Steam. It's games on Steam. Typing. Having fun typing, doing like a typing game. And, you know, I've got this cool dual camera setup. That's kind of nifty. So a lot of cool things, a lot of cool takeaways today. Just interesting little tidbits for you, for me, and for anyone who's interested in this kind of stuff. And I definitely recommend go check out Epistory. I think I found out about it from the maker of this keyboard, the ZSA company. They send out a newsletter, and in the newsletter, every time it goes out, it includes like lots of cool little programs and things that the founder uses. So this was one of them. Anyways, hope you have a good life. Or whenever, I don't know when you're watching this, so I hope you're doing good today. And I'll see you again later. Thanks. Bye.